That's the appropriate name. They named it after a Tyrannosaurus Rex. TRX is what this is called. And just like the regular T-Rex from the prehistoric days, it's mean, big, loud, and the baddest boy on the block. Same with this one. It's the fastest everyday driver truck you can get. This has so many comparisons to the prehistoric T-Rex. For instance, the original T-Rex ate other T-Rexes. This truck eats other trucks. It has the most powerful factory engine in its class. Comparison number 2, it's really tall. At almost 7 feet, it will barely fit in your garage. Comparison number 3, this T-Rex is about to be extinct. Ram is not making this truck after 2024. The one thing that this T-Rex does better than the OG T-Rex is go fast. The Dino T-Rex had a top speed of about 25 miles per hour. This truck can hit 118 in about 9 seconds. That's a fast truck. After these trucks are gone, I'm not sure there'll be another legendary off-roading truck that covers as much as this one. It's fast, tall, luxurious, gas-powered. It's the king of trucks. It's built for extreme off-roading, and you'll be busting bugs with 700 horsepower in it.